How to speak confidently? This is the question most of the students ask me. Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to speak confidently. I believe that this kind of video is not available anywhere on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to do a detailed psychoanalysis of how confidence develops, how we speak confidently, how confident speakers develop their confidence, and what is confidence. We will study all the psychology behind the confident speakers. So let's start. Friends, this video may be somewhat lengthy, but I believe in going into detail, going into the root cause of the problem. And this video will definitely help you to understand the psychology of human behavior, the psychology of confident speakers. Dear friends, I have one training called English Communication and Confidence Therapy. In this training, I help students to speak fluently, confidently, without any fear. Well, details are given in the description. If you are interested, you can mail me. My team will help you out. In that training, I help students to understand the psychology behind confidence. Today, I'm going to tell you the same thing about confidence, how to speak confidently. But before that, let me explain the fluency equation. This is the fourth video in a series. I have made 3 more videos about the fluency equation. In that video, number 1 video is there, link I have given you here, English habits, okay? English reading habits. These habits will help you to develop your fluency. How? Watch my video. Second is English listening habits. This video will also help you to develop your fluency. See, understand friends, the fluency equation is this. It's addition of English reading, English listening, audiovisual techniques, and speaking confidently. Today I'm going to handle this particular video. So we'll complete the 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before this, I had made one more video about habits, English habits. Link I have given you. These videos will help you to connect with this video. I request you to watch these videos and then come to this video. Now understand one thing, friends. To develop fluency. Now, what is fluency? Well, let us come here. You can use correct sentences and proper vocabulary. To develop that, you don't need to study grammar now. Grammar is important. Definitely grammar is important. Grammar is important in school days. Grammar is important for school. Grammar is important for kids. But once you have studied grammar in school, now you don't need to study grammar. Now you have to develop confidence. Now you have to develop fluency. And to develop fluency, this equation is important and not grammar textbooks. All right? Okay. Now, let me move ahead now. Let us come back to the important question. What is confidence? Exactly what is confidence? Confidence is state of mind. State of mind. Confidence is belief. Confidence is thoughts which you have inside you. That is confidence. Well, exactly I'll explain you what I want to say is, look at this triangle. This is called as a human behavior triangle or human psychological triangle, I will call it as. Thoughts, beliefs, feelings, and behavior. Understand? Thoughts create feelings, feelings create behavior. For example, I'll give you one example. Thoughts. Suppose you see a small, cute puppy. Thoughts will come. Which thought will come? Wow, nice puppy, cute puppy. Feeling. You will feel very good. You will feel sympathetic towards that puppy. Behavior. You will take the puppy to home. In this way, it works. Of course, if you see these arrows, they are interconnected. I mean, they interact with each other. Behavior creates thoughts. Thoughts also create feelings. Feelings create thoughts. And these are interconnected. I will give you one small example. We are not going into detail. We are going to focus on confidence, but I will give you some details about this. In short, suppose you don't feel like going to a gym or going for a jog, but still if you go, that is behavior. Thoughts will come. You will think about yourself that, wow, I'm good, I'm consistent, I'm nice, I'm disciplined. These thoughts create feelings. Feelings is happy feeling will come about yourself. So these are interconnected. Feelings also create thoughts. All right, I will not go in detail. Let us come here. Same thing, thoughts. Confidence is nothing but thoughts. You believe that whatever you are speaking is correct. You are confident about your talk. That is called as confidence. It is reflected through pitch of voice, through body language, through eye contact. All right. When you see a speaker on the stage or speaking in front of you, you can figure out from his body language, from his eye contact, from his pitch of voice that, wow, he's a confident speaker. This is called as confidence. Let me explain you now what is confidence and what is lack of confidence. I will give you one example here. Confidence, let us take cricketers. Okay, suppose a cricketer is in form. He's hitting centuries, he's hitting the ball in the middle of the bat. He's confident. Okay, so he believes that I can hit the ball. He thinks that I can hit the ball. Come here, believes. Okay, he feels confident. Behavior, hits a century. It hits fours and boundaries. Getting it? All right. Out of form. Suppose the batsman is out of form. Lack of confidence. What happens when he becomes out of form? I'll explain you. While playing matches, sometimes he gets out. Second time he gets out. Third time he gets out. Behavior. Then he starts thinking, oh, I'm not hitting the ball in the middle of the bat. Some problem is there. He loses his confidence. Lack of confidence. In this way, an in-form batsman has a confidence and out-of-form batsman lacks confidence. Now, important thing I'll tell you. To get the confidence, to get back the form, what these people do, you all know. They go back to the nets. They go back to the Ranji, play it, hit the ball again, center of the bat, practice, and behavior. Then they start believing, yeah, now I am in form. Now I can hit the ball in the middle of the bat. They feel confident, they return back to the Indian team. In this way, Virat Kohli's and Sachin Tendulkar's, these great cricketers develop their confidence. Same concept is applicable in speaking also. But friends, to be confident, two things are very important. As I told you here, thoughts, behavior. I will tell you about the thoughts. We have beliefs in our mind, friends. We believe something. Beliefs is everything. If you believe, you can achieve. Beliefs is a set of rules which we have in our mind, which we think it is true, but in reality it is not true. And that is what I'm going to come here. The next point is how to be confident. Okay, let us come here. First of all, we have to change our beliefs. Friends, we have to change our beliefs. And what are these beliefs? I have explained you here. Watch carefully, listen carefully, and note it down. I repeat again, friends, this is not a video which is going to finish in 4 minutes and 5 minutes. I'm going to give you detailed analysis of the human psychology, how we work. As I told you, our beliefs, they just come from anywhere. They come from media, they come from parents, they come from society, they come from friends, and we believe without checking it. Many times, beliefs are not realities. They are not facts. They are just beliefs, which we think they are true. In reality, they are not true. So we have to verify our beliefs. Most of the people don't do that, and that's the problem. They make a mistake there. What are the beliefs? What are the wrong beliefs which we hold? That I'm going to tell you. You have to eliminate these beliefs and replace with good, healthy, realistic beliefs. First, I must always be confident. You can't always be confident, because confidence is state of mind, and state of mind always changes. No one is always confident. Like, you are not always happy. Happiness is a state of mind, a feeling. You can't be always confident. Confidence goes up and down. And when a person believes that I must be always confident, the feeling comes. Thoughts, feelings. Getting it? Thoughts, feelings. Okay? He feels guilty. I'm not good. I'm not confident always. I'm not good. So these people always want to be confident. And confident people are not always confident. They are most of the time confident. Yeah, I know it sounds very odd, but that is a fact actually. Well, when I go on the stage, I'm not always confident. Most of the time I'm confident, but I'm not always confident. All right, we have to change this belief. Second belief, I must be confident speaker quickly with less efforts. That's a big problem. There are some YouTubers who tell you that speak English fluently in 7 days, in 30 days, in 2 months, 30-day challenge, whatever it is. These people are creating such beliefs. And with this belief, you try to become a confident speaker, and you try to speak confidently in English. What happens? Disappointment. Check the reality. You can't be, you want to be confident quickly and with less efforts, forget that. Forget that. Watch this video. Link I have given here. Don't get cheated. Face the reality. The reality is different, friends. The reality is different. By the way, I'm feeling hot. Yeah, I'm sweating. My AC is not working, but I had to upload this video, so I'm shooting. Okay, hope you'll understand. Hope I should understand, not you. I'm feeling very hot. Okay, let us continue. When this kind of belief is there, this person gets angry and we are here. I must be confident speaker quickly with less efforts. This person, he feels bored, frustrated. Feeling will come, frustrated. Because he believes that to build a confidence, to be a confident speaker, it must be quick without any efforts. And the reality is different. This is my 18th year. I'm working on my confidence every day, day in and day out. The reality is different. Face the reality. I must not make mistakes. Perfection attitude. Perfection mistake. There is no perfection. Watch my video. Don't speak perfect English. Another video is there. Link I've given you here. About trying to impress rather than express. Trying to work on accent. Trying to work on mother tongue influence. Trying to pronounce every word correctly. Perfection. There is no perfection in the world. This video is not perfect. Maybe there is some spelling mistake. Maybe while speaking I'm making some mistake. But it doesn't matter. What matters is, do you understand what I say? That matters. Here is a problem. I must not make mistakes. And this comes from grammar. We have been told that perfect grammar, speak perfect grammar, use perfect grammar. And this we keep on thinking about grammar rules. We are continuously worried about grammar rules and we forget speaking. We get low confident. Okay, you have to change that. I must not make mistakes. Anger and shame, this feeling will come when you make mistakes because you believe I should not make mistakes. I must be perfect and nothing is perfect. People who chase perfection, they are depressed, stressed because it does not exist. Excellence exists. Perfection does not exist, friends. Next one, people must support me, not laugh at me. This kind of belief is there. I ask you, why they must support you? Why they must not laugh at you? Do you always support everyone? Don't you laugh at anyone who makes a mistake? Then why do you expect that from others? And you can't control people's behavior. You can control only your behavior, only your emotions. So expecting that people must support me, unrealistic belief. Some will support, some will not support. Because everyone has the right. Everyone has the right to behave as they want. You can't force them. When this kind of belief is there, anger, embarrassment will be there. When people will laugh at you, that you believe that they should not laugh at me, and you quit. You quit going on the stage. That is the behavior. I told you, beliefs, that is thoughts, feelings, behavior will be there. You believe that people must support me. They must not laugh at me. Okay? Feeling will come. Anger will come. Because you know they are not doing it. Then what is your behavior? You quit. You don't go on the stage. People are going to laugh at you. Well, there are many comments I get on YouTube for my videos. Some of the experts are there. They find faults in my English. I don't know from where they are. Usually they are not Indians actually. They say that Indian accent is very funny. I say your accent is more funny. Alright? It doesn't matter. What matters is, am I making a difference in your life? Am I giving you something good which will help you? And at the end of the day, friends, I get comments, I get emails, I see the I see the comments there. Most of the people thank me. That's all. Avoiding is the best solution. This belief is there. Temporarily, you will feel very nice, and you will avoid. You will avoid going on the stage. You will avoid talking to fluent speakers. You will avoid talking to your boss. You will avoid talking to people who are better than you. The reality is different. This is not the way to grow. If you want to grow, you have to face it. You have to face it. Friends, fear, if avoided, grows. Fear, if faced, goes. You have to choose. Fear is only an emotion. Fear is imaginary. Danger is real. Understand the difference. Understand the difference. Danger means you are going to die. Fear means it's all imaginary. False evidence appearing real. False evidence appearing real. F-E-A-R, fear. You cannot become confident if you avoid. Most important point. You have to face it. You have to go ahead. You can't become confident. You have to face. I repeat again. You have to face it. Let's move ahead. I must not be nervous while speaking. You will be nervous. And when you become nervous, and when you expect I should not be nervous, you become more nervous because we have feelings about feelings. We have feelings about feelings. When you become nervous about nervous because you tell yourself, I should not be nervous. Like some people worry and they tell themselves, I should not worry. So there is worry about worry. Everyone gets nervous. It's normal. It's a human emotion. Nervousness is very normal. Accept it. After a few days, it will reduce. When? When you face it. Confident speakers are born. This kind of belief is that this person doesn't try. He says, I'm not good enough. Sandeep Patil is good, or Harsha Boglu is good, or this person, that person. Well, everyone is not born as a confident speaker. Believe me. Okay? When Sachin Tendulkar was born, he was not offered 100 centuries by the nurse. Take this 100 centuries. He had to work on that. Everyone has to work on that. No one is born genius. We have to work. We have to work on. Then you become better. So no one is confident speaker, friends. And last point I want to tell. 99%. This is thought. Behavior. Behavior is very important, friends. Action is very... Want to be a confident speaker? Start speaking. Don't avoid. Speak with your friends. Speak with your seniors. Speak with your boss. Okay, tell him that, sir, I want to be fluent. I want to be confident. So I want to talk to you. He will understand. Talk to them openly and tell them that if I make a mistake, please try to understand me, rectify me, help me. Mostly people will help you. Yeah, some people will not. Forget them. They will laugh, forget them. It's their attitude. Face the fear. Last point, face the fear. Don't avoid the fear. Friends, I want everyone to type in the comment box. I will face the fear. Face the fear, friends. Face those people who are fluent than you. Go on the stage, speak on the stage, make mistakes, make blunder. I have done many mistakes in my life. Not doing a mistake is the biggest mistake in life, friends. Biggest mistake in life. Don't do that. Don't do that. What is stopping you is not vocabulary, it's not grammar, is your mindset. Enemy is not outside, enemy is inside you. You are stopping yourself. No one else is stopping you. You are your own enemy or you are your own friend. Decide what you want to be, friends. Decide what you want to be. So, come on, friends. Face the fear. Type that. I will face the fear. And tell me next time what happens. You are not going to die. In this way, you become confident. There is no tonic of confidence. There is no tablet of confidence. There is no energy drink for confidence. There is no shortcut for confidence. This is the only way people become confident. Sometimes you fall, you fail, you cry. You bounce back. You get up again on your knees. Again you get up. That is the way people become confident. I hope you liked the session, friends. Thanks for waiting so long. I'm sweating, but it's worth. I had helped some of you to be a confident speaker. Thank you, friends, and goodbye. Take care.